In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 online on Fiverr with little work. Here, what you will learn, you are going to learn how to make thousands of dollars on Fiverr with little work. Also, you will learn about the secret software that enables you to get the 90% of work done. And I will show you my bonuses for the software, and lastly how to rank your gig higher in Fiverr. First, let's go to Fiverr and search for ebook writer and show you how. First, let's go to Fiverr and show you how much people are earning in these services. First, search for ebook writer and you will get this result. Here are some people. For example, this seller get more than $7,000. Another one here, 600. 400. This get over $12,000. Also, search for e-cover and you will get this result. This seller get about 10,000. This 10,000 and this more than $40,000 from only designing or designing cover or big cover and interior layout of the cover of the book. Here 5,000. Here about 4,000, 2,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, and more people can get this more than 10,000, 4,000 or more, and 2,000, about 2,000. A lot of people going to make money. Now I'm going to tell you about the secret software that enable you to do first the ebook writing and the second the e-cover for this book. The software I'm talking about is called Sqribble. Sqribble generate ebook on demand with new technology. Also creates amazing ebook reports in 5 minutes without typing any words. Let's go to see the benefits or the benefits of Sqribble. First benefit, it is easy to use, simple to use software with easy point and click technology. Benefit number 2, stunning designs. You will get 50 templates to select from in 15 popular niches category. Also, you need only 6 seconds of creating. You can create amazing ebook reports and white papers in minutes. Number 4, instant content. Skip writing anything with our automated content engine. Number 5, you will get commercial license, which enables you to sell your designs as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Number 6, agency website includes portfolio to impress your potential clients, and see how to create your articles in very simple step. After you enter the dashboard, click on Start Sqribble under the video. Then you can choose from 61 templates. Say I'm going to choose the first one, and you can preview the template here. Then click Use It. Then click enter your ebook name, Internet Marketing for beginners. Then choose freehand editor. Next, and you can grab from URL or create your own book, or copy paste manually, or upload a text Word or text file, or start from article collection. I will choose start from article collection to choose from the article comes with the software marketing, for example. So generating, I will choose the first, then click finish. The website, and then after that you can click save and generate your book. New method. Open a new tab. You can download it, or more ebook format. For you can format your ebook for Amazon or EPUB or Mobi, or you can download the ebook there. This is your internet marketing book, and it's ready to be downloaded in less than a minute. Now let's go to show you my bonuses for this software. If you buy from my link in the description, you will get 20 mega bonuses for this software. First bonus, link supercharger. Second bonus, software bonus in a box. Third bonus being pin camp app. Fourth bonus, blogging advice for beginner. Then effective content marketing for the fifth bonus. Bonus number 6, Google Display Network hack. Bonus number 7, high profit blog secret. Also bonus number 8, killer blog conversion tips. Bonus number 9, live streaming video profit. Bonus number 10, SEO ranking strategies, tactics. Number 11, the chatbot revolution. Number 12, write compelling headlines. Also, your content marketing guide, how to content your marketing. Intelligent battle plan, niche membership site, carving tips video. Number 15. Number 16, private label membership guide video. Number 17, white label license to mobile blogging. And number 18, W profit doubler. Number 19, W viral clicks. And bonus number 20, WFB F bar JIT. In addition to these bonuses, I will give you exclusive bonus, which is 8,000 content engine library for your to help you writing a lot of ebooks. I'm going to show you how to rank your gig higher in Fiverr to make money. Write appealing title. You have to include your keyword in the title and also in the description here, and write a very good compelling description about your gig, and also make some video for your gig like this video.
Hi, I'm Angie and I'm a graphic designer.
Rank higher in